Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my 33rd recipe from HelloFresh. This is sweet potato and black bean tacos. Comes with a really nice recipe card, gives you pictures and well-written instructions, calorie information, all that good stuff. And the meals are individually packaged in these bags. For the most part, everything's measured out. Here are the ingredients that I needed for mine. We have tortillas, sweet potatoes, onions, cilantro, black beans, avocado, some sour cream, honey, there was some cumin in there, garlic, and a lime. So the first thing that I did was preheat the oven, and I diced up the sweet potatoes. I added some salt and pepper to them, drizzled some olive oil, and then I roasted those for 20 minutes in the oven. And while that's cooking, you always want to prep and dice up all your other ingredients. So I have everything chopped and ready to go. In a skillet, I added some olive oil and added in my onions, and I cooked those for about 5 minutes or so. I seasoned them with salt and pepper. And once those were softened, I added in the garlic and the black beans. It said only to use half of the black beans, but I didn't want to waste them, so I went ahead and threw them all in there. And let that warm up for a few minutes. And then at that point, the sweet potatoes were done, so I went ahead and added that to the mixture. Also added in the honey. And the cumin. And the juice from half of the lime. I let that cook for several minutes so that the liquid was mostly evaporated. Of course, I did season that with salt and pepper as well. And while that was finishing cooking, I went ahead and made the avocado crema. So I'm adding my sour cream to the avocados, adding the juice from the rest of that lime. I also have some lime zest off to the side, so I'm going to add that in. Going to season that with some salt and pepper, and then use my fork to mash it and make it nice and smooth. And once that's done, you're ready to assemble your tacos. So I spread a little bit of the avocado crema on the tortilla, added in some filling, then I added in some avocado slices and some cilantro. And this was really delicious because some of my favorite things to eat are cilantro and avocado and onions. So absolutely love this one. If you're interested in trying anything from HelloFresh, I do have a promo code that will save you $40 off, and I will put that below in the description box. As always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.